What's up, homies? I'm back yet again with another. Get on this interstate. We'll kind of get a good idea of what's happening. All right. Anyways, I'm going to meet up with the homie. Another one of the homies, of course. Seems like I've got all the homies. Everybody's the homies. That sounded so weird. Let me not say that. Everybody is the homie. He's the homie. She's the... Oh my gosh. All right. That's my cue. I'll stop right there. Sheesh. There she is.
I say we go take that one road up to Flower Mound. Hit the gas station. I need some gas. I'm almost out. I think I'm on like quarter tank. And the Tesla, of course.
Hey, you gonna let that thing warm up?
Yeah. Okay.
Jeez. I didn't even see him, bro. You was all like, yeah, and I was like, all right, that's the good to go. Oh my God, bro. That thing is so fast. Bro. Ain't no way, bro. That ain't no way, bro. Bro. Bro, let me get the f out of here.
Hell yeah, dude.
and then a cop, bro, and I was just like, that's crazy, bro. Hey, yo. All right, I gotta get gas. There you go. It's a Navi. It's a Honda Navi.
A Honda Navi?
Yeah, Honda Navi. Easy. He almost ate shit right here, bro. The Navi. I'm not joking, the Navi almost ate shit, bro.
The Navi.
So I say we hit a left right here.
and see where life takes us.
A liggity.
All right. Tesla is engaged. We are going.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
So, you're more than welcome to film with me like anytime. Just under one condition.
What?
Don't cry when you get put in handcuffs.
Oh, that's fine. I've been in handcuffs many times. That might be a cop
That thing is so fast.
I can't tell.
That's the crazy thing about here, dude. You can't tell where the cops are. At least if you take off, they're not gonna hear you.
Yeah, they'll hear you from like a mile away. Hey guys, I'm really nervous right now. There's a really cute biker at the stoplight. I'm gonna get his number. Wish me luck, okay? Hey, excuse me, sir? You look really handsome on that bike. Can I get your number? Ah! Ah! He's doing it.
Oh no! It's green!
Ah!
Oh man. I couldn't tell if they were mad or excited.
I think they're mad at us. It's okay. We'll survive.
Oh, Popo.
Where?
Okay. We was acting accordingly, so it's all good.
Did we just pass a cop?
Yeah, we did. Like on the right side, like tucked off in the bushes, dude.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. It was probably like watching YouTube videos or something.
This guy up here wants to race. And he's gone. Gone with the wind. I think the Harley guy wants all the smoke.
Brother. Oh, God. He hit that brake pretty hard there, buddy.
Brother. Brother.
Brother.
Brother.
You want to race, bro?
We're racing. He's looking at me like, what the hell? He's just out trying to have a cruise and I'm over here sticking a GoPro in his face.
Why are you recording me, bro?
I know. Probably getting all self-conscious. Oh, dude, this is where we got followed by those cops last time when I was on the R6.
Yeah, I do remember that.
Ripping and that cop flipped around on us.
Yeah, and then like there was another guy. Yeah, there was another guy with us because he went and took like another turn and followed that guy.
Yeah, exactly. Another cop right there. You see the cop we just passed?
The block is hot, dude.
The block is really hot. Should we spin it?
Spin it? Like, do a burnout?
No, like spin the block. Oh, you could do a burnout. Sounds like a great idea to me.
I don't want to sling rubber all over your Tesla, bro.
Are we live? We live?
Bro, I feel like such a tard.
Why? Hello, sir.
I'm in neutral, bro. And a GP shift, so there's like no excuse. Let's see. Damn, dude, how long does this road go?
I think it goes for a while, dude.
You know, the thumbnail is gonna be that, and I'm gonna put it as Tesla owner harasses me.
Oh, do it, 100%.
Do it 100%. Hang on, bro. I think this Mustang owner was talking smack about your mom, bro. I think you should gap him.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Let's see what we got. Is that a little GT okay? Something? Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
I'm gonna make him he's gonna fucking sell it tomorrow. Be like, yeah, you know, I'm not a Mustang guy. anymore.
No, bro. I'll make him sell it tomorrow. You'll make him sell it literally tonight.
He like throws it up on, we see it on Marketplace when we get back. Like, damn, that was fast, bro. Dude, I want to do a pool, but I'm so scared. I don't, just in case there's cops.
Dude, I'm terrified.
I'm so scared right now. I'm shivering and my timbers are shivering.
Wait, what's that one with Will Ferrell? Like, I'm so scared right now.
I'm so fucking scared right now, you shut up!
Right, we got the Civic. All right, we got the whole lineup, guys. You ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Jesus!
Meant it. I stood on business.
Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, my clutch wasn't even slipping in yet, and you're just like, meow. If I were a rich man. Bro. There's literally a twin.
He's ripping too.
Bro, he took off. Hey, yo.
Yo, the club's way too lit right now. Yo. Oh yeah. All right, we're done. Punch it. Ah!
Hey! Oh my god!
Whoa! 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 Tacoma's getting it.
Oh my!
Okay.
My guy is smoking off, bro.
Dude, I'm feeling really self-conscious right now. I think I just got smoked by a Toyota.
You're self-conscious, bro. I got emasculated.
Emasculated? Too far, bro, too far.
Dude took my man guard away from me when he smoked me in a truck.
You just got gapped. I think
You start to.
I think YouTube needs to see a wheelie.
You think it needs to see a wheelie?
I think so, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh my god, bro. Bro, that thing is so fast. Hold on.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, you got me. You got my eyes.
All I can hear through your car is like whenever you take off is like the whistle. That's so crazy, bro.
All right. All right.
Oh, right. Dang, I think the camera stopped. The camera finally stopped recording on my end.
Did it?
I'll do this right here. Appreciate it, bro.
Hang on. Oh. Yo, what do you do for a living?
Alright, I'm homeless.
Oh,
I live on this
cut the video, cut the video.